What's up, guys? Bruno here from Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Well, we got another setback on this Buick hood here. This Buick Centurion. Another setback. When you look up in the dictionary setback, they'll have a picture of this car. I tell you. Anyways, problem I'm running into here is the hood was factory. There was no dents on the hood, and you guys probably seen this before, but where they glue the structure underneath, it ends up pulling the metal and it takes it out of trueness, so it's not straight anymore. It's really kind of minor, but because this thing's so freaking big and it's black and the car's being restored, this is the first thing everybody's going to be looking at, and I just can't leave it the way it is. And I mean, this is the last piece now, and there's no point in just trying to push something through just to get it done anymore. We're kind of past that point, so I didn't want to, because you know, you get to a point where I had this block down with 320 and I just kept feeling it, and I cleaned it, walk away from it, come back and feel it again. And you know, because I was kind of fighting with myself there for a while, and I just kind of decided that I better just fix it so that it's perfectly straight, I guess, because otherwise I look like a retard. So that's where I'm at now. So I'm gonna get this, I'm just basically gonna skim here. The edges here are okay on this, you know, the front edge, this is good here. It's just the two inside here, in between the center line and the edge here. So I'm going to skim it from here. Basically, you can see here where I sanded, so I'm going to skim all that. And then I will knock it down again and start priming again. So I got to do that on both sides, unfortunately. So it is what it is. It happens. You know, you just try to get away with something, and I better not do it because it'll just come back to bite me in the ass. So there it is. That's what I'm doing now. And I'll be back now. I'll be back when this thing's painted. I've done too many videos now of this in the process, so I'm sure you guys are getting sick of it. Alright, talk to you guys later. I guess I lied. I'm back here with the hood finally done, ready to spray. Got her finished up in 800. I'm gonna get it in the booth here, waiting for some help, and then mask up the bottom again and get this thing sprayed here. Maybe tomorrow or next day here. So, and that'll be done. So yeah, everything is good. I'm glad I kind of skimmed that over to straighten that out, because it probably wouldn't have looked the way it should. So anyways, now I will be back, I guess, when it's all painted. All right, talk to you guys later.